Easter, everyone. We have cheesecake over here, and we have coconut cake or pie or bibingka in the Tagalog language, and we have pandesal biscuit, rice, and we have menudo, beef menudo, and we have salmon fillet with sita or string beans, and our rice, and our, excuse me please, it's yummy to the tummy when we're cooking. We have lots and lots, and we have, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to dine with you. These and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books right here that you are looking at as well, spread out, including Mom and Chef. Yes, 22 books including Mom and Chef are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Come on in, eat. You're invited to my table this Easter celebration. And my beloved mom is shown here in our kitchen when we were growing up. The first woman ever elected public official in our hometown, a top notcher as well as my dad, proposed and founded the only public high school where I, her daughter, yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, first taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president. Then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East, where I and my brothers and sisters studied from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation, and then all the way here in New York City, excuse me please, USA, where I am a New York City school teacher for so many years, outstanding teacher, president of the Teachers Association, teacher trainer here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, and more in my 22 books. My beloved mom is the only girl in her family and former beauty queen, and this house, a new kitchen being built, was the gift of my dad. My beloved father was in the United States of America, here in the USA where I am, a stenographer. My dad was a USA stenographer, typist at the USA airport. When my dad retired, my dad was twice-time elected leader, and he approved the public school budget in the school where mom founded together with other government officials. And this is where I first taught as a musical teacher, as I have mentioned, and more stories in my 22 books. Yes, 22, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. Our Easter celebration, and we have coconut pie, bibingka in Tagalog language, and we have cheesecake, and you could see more on my books here. Unicorns Make Us Fly, How They Say Life is a Play. The other one is Smile, Crystal People Love You, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And right beside my mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, is How to Be Happy You Really Am, truly. And come on and eat. let's enjoy our Easter celebration. This is your spoon, and this is your fork. We have sitaw here and salmon. And we have asparagus right here. And I'm holding my camera at the same time too, please. And we have our cranberry juice. Come on and eat. You're invited my table. But before we do, we're going to bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought. Total self-sustain. Oh my goodness. Let's try the coconut pie or bibingka. This is, excuse me please, buko bibingka. For you and me and all of us, let me put this right here. And buko pie or coconut pie, buko bibingka is one of my favorites. Excuse me please. I'm holding my camera at the same time that my mom always cooked. And let's see here. For you and me and all of us, yum. And right here, we're going to taste. I have a sweet tooth, as you can see. That sound is a greeting of happy birthday. This is a gift from my sister. And let's see here. Let's put this aside here. This is yummy to the tummy. And let's have the cheesecake first. I'm holding my camera at the same time. We and me and all of us, yum. Super delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. And now, let's have salmon fillet. Let me get my other camera in my left hand. The camera. Salmon for you and me and all of us, yum. Let's have the sitaw. Sitaw is string beans in the Tagalog language. In English, string beans, sitaw. Satay, string beans or ginisang sitaw. Oh my goodness. You're gonna love this as I do. For you and me and all of us, yum. Let's try the mashed potato. For you, please. For you and me and all of us. Super delicious. And let's have the asparagus. A little bite for you and me and all of us. super delicious. Let's have the rice. Natural coloring, we could use turmeric. Yun minalabas yan. Mmm. Super yum. Yummy to the tummy. When you're cooking, you taste a lot. And this is sinangag or fried rice with in butter and excuse me please. Our beloved parents say when we eat we are silent, and so that's why I have to chew my food first before I speak. And so what I was saying is sinangag or fried rice, we put butter, or you could use olive oil and then spices. Oh my goodness, this is yummy to the tummy. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. Happy Easter. Happy every day. Every day is a celebration of wonderful life. God bless us all with happiness always. And I give my love, light, and gratitude and honor to all of our Creator God right here in our own heartbeats. I also honor my beloved mom and dad. Love, light, and gratitude as well to all my cherished brothers and sisters and their own families, and to all of you, my wonderful subscribers. Those who like, shares, comment, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Thank you as well, love, light, and gratitude to those who are watching my videos. And have a nice day always. I love you all. And happy Easter, happy every day. For those of you who are celebrating Easter, happy Easter. And happy every day to all of us. May the good Lord right here in our own heartbeats bless us all with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, harmony, peace, unity, compassion, forgiveness, love and light to us all right now and continuously, happiness always. Kain na po tayo, come on and eat in Tagalog language. Napakasarap. Tagalog language means super delicious. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Happy cooking! Using my mom's delightful food recipes in Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And available worldwide, all my 22 books, as I've mentioned, at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes and Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. I invite you all to visit my two websites, and I'm inviting you to have a 10% discount using my name, Juanita, at www.allfreshseafood.com if you would like to order steaks, seafoods, and more, or you could call here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1-833-GOT-CRAB, and enjoy the 10% discount, excuse me please, using my name, Juanita. And my beloved parents used to own a huge fishing boat, a yacht or a huge fishing boat named after Saint Anthony, because when my beloved mom and dad were newlyweds, Saint Anthony saved them. Thank you, Saint Anthony. love, light, and gratitude. And so I wrote a book I entitled Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and available worldwide as well. Enjoy my beloved mom's delightful food recipes in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, that's my beautiful mom, former beauty queen, and more. And this my 22 books, yes, that's me, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And for those of you who are asking what BSED, MSED means, that's Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to college graduation. MSED, Master of Science in Education. I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I am. And more in my 22 books you'll see worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Enjoy my beloved mom's delightful food recipes in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you all about the video, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Happy cooking, happy baking, happy roasting, happy frying, happy sauteing. Yum. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Yum, yes. Enjoy the buko bibingka, coconut pie, queso bibingka, cheese pie. Yum. Enjoy. Yummy to the tummy. Mouth watering, burping. Enjoy. Yummy to the tummy.